Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. In this video, I will share how you can make $30,000 a month online using two of these websites, and you have all opportunities and options are open to use any other website if you want and make much more money. Links in the description. My other videos will show you how to make money in other different ways. So stick to the end of the video because there will be multiple steps and multiple parts in this video. The first step will show you the simple looking website that pays you to your PayPal address only for doing some clicking with your mouse, etc. And one more thing that I will share at the second part of the video, which will be totally connected to the first part of the video and the simple looking website. And that second part will actually make you the most of the money and you will hit $30,000 a month. You ready for this? If this kind of video, like money making video, strategy video, and the videos that gives you free information, education, and my premium softwares 100% free, please do me a favor by hitting the like button, subscribing to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. And don't forget to use the share button and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts, as this way you help them learn how to make $30,000 a month online. All free, without using any website, without using technical knowledge, without any experience. This is absolutely newbie or beginner friendly. But if you are already a pro or an existing online business owner with your experience, you can take this strategy to easily $100,000 to $150,000 a month. So let us begin. Step number one. Go to this website, paidviewpoint.com. Extremely simple looking landing page. There is nothing but the name of this website, 3 little links that you actually need, and some links in the footer. Now, before you begin with the top part of this website, I highly recommend, because this is what I do, I would like you to check all these links one by one. So the About Us section, TOU section, Terms of Use, Privacy section, Support section, FAQ or Frequently Asked Questions section, Do Not Sell My Info section, and even click on these links on their social media and find out what they are. Because you will be connected to this website and you will be paid by this website. So you should clearly know what you are going to deal with. We have already done some good amount of research for you, so you don't have it. We have checked the traffic analytics of this website in similarweb.com. You are looking at it right now and they have monthly 1.3 million monthly visitors. And most of the traffic come from North America and South America. 83% of their traffic are direct traffic, which means 83% of 1.3 million monthly visitors already know them and they come back to this website over and over again. Why? This is the question. Because this website is legit. Now, I am not the one who can tell you that this is a legit website, but from the traffic and the behavior of the traffic, we can say that. One more important thing that is ignored by most others, but you should never ignore: bounce rate of a website. 40% bounce rate means only 40% of these visitors leave this website from the first page. Remaining 60% people go inside the website and they check other stuff. Why would they check other stuff? Because they make money out of them or they get help out of them, right? 40% bounce rate is super awesome. To be known as a reliable, a trustworthy, and a popular website for Google or other search engines. And yes, they have 4% search engine traffic. But here is the deal. If you look at the top keywords, the top traffic keywords, it's the name of the website. So instead of putting their name on the address bar, the regular users simply use Google to visit this website. When they find it, they enter and they come here, and from here they click this link to visit this website. That's what happens to their search engine traffic and the direct traffic. I meant to say a lot of these visitors, the direct traffic ones and the search engine ones, are the mix of both, which is a good thing. People already know about this website's name, they come back to this website, they stay long time on this website because we can expect this is a good website and people actually make money. Now, one thing I can say about this website that this is the least confusing. You will never get confused about what to do in this website. So the first thing, step number 1 is go click this register button and register using your email, password, confirm password, and if you have an activation bonus code, use it and click on this checkbox. I have read and agree with rules, privacy policy and terms of use, and then click next. They will send you an email. You should open that email, click on the activation link and activate your account. Then when you log in using your login credentials, you will be taken to this page. Again, I tell you, this is the least confusing website ever. This is your earnings section. You can click here and check your earnings. This is your demographics. This is your trade score. This is your friends section, and this is your settings. Simple as that. Now let's go back to the footer section that I have been telling you. Instead of going through every step one by one, I will show you a couple of important things. Go to the FAQ and you will learn about the most important keywords. Example, trade score. What is trade score? Go ahead, read what is trade score. It's important because you're going to make money from this website. How can I collect my earnings? Without knowing this, how can you make money? They pay you through your PayPal, so you must have an active PayPal account. Now this is an important thing. In case your country doesn't support PayPal, then you might not be able to use this website. In case you use other people's PayPal, then you also should know that what happens if you change your PayPal address. Your earnings will be frozen. This is very important. You can change your registered PayPal email address at any time. However, each time you change your PayPal email address, your account cash balance will be zero. So whatever you have earned will be zero. Alternatively, you can freeze your earnings for 180 days. This helps prevent people from attempting to break the rules and operate more than one paid viewpoint account, which means they don't allow you to make more than one account. You can have only one account. These are the important things to know before you start using any website. You don't want to be one of those people who break some rules, break some privacy policy, terms of use, their accounts get frozen, their income get frozen, and they come out empty-handed, giving a negative review about the website. So read these informations clearly. You will also learn about the most passive and scalable income system from this website that I will cover in the second part of the video. By the way, are you liking our video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next video. Don't forget to use the share button and share this video with your friend and family. And don't forget to use the share button and share this video with your friends and family so everybody learns how to make money online easily. Now I told you this is the least confusing website and the easiest website ever. They have notifications of surveys when surveys are available for you. So go ahead, click here because one survey is available for me. My survey is loading, and this is the beauty of survey. You really don't need to do anything but simply clicking an option and clicking next. That's it. Clicking another option and click next. Now, I highly recommend read the survey questions and read the answers before answering, because they are paying you money for clicking with your mouse. They have technology in the background that can find random answers, wrong answers. And once they figure that you are not attentive, you're not reading the question right, you're not reading the questions fully, you're not trying to understand or answer correctly, they have the rights and they will cancel your answer or survey, and all the time you spent on a survey will be useless. So instead of that, read answers quickly, know what you are doing, and then answer. Your job is to click and nothing else, but because you're getting paid, give it a little time. Now, as you can see, I have already taken another survey and I have already earned 84 cents. 84 cents is nothing, but whatever I earned for clicking. All right, now this is how you use your own computer or your phone and your mouse and your screen, just clicks and make money. But this is not the scalable way to make money, or this thing will not take you to $30,000 a month easily. It's not that easy to make $1,000 a day and $30,000 a month by participating in surveys. But here is the kicker, and here is how you make $30,000. To make all that money, you need to go to this point called friend. Click here and you will be taken to the referral section. This is the most passive income system online, referring others and help them make money. So every time your referred friends or your friends that you referred to this website will cash out, you will get 20% of every research survey reward they have accumulated. Invite as many as you want, earn as much as you want. Read more? Definitely read more. Click every little conditions they have. Understand clearly all the limitations and all. Become a VIP community builder and collect your 20% on the fly if you don't want to wait for them to cash out. So there is something else. To apply for the program, you need to have 100 plus active friends. People who you referred, you need to have 100 plus like them. Okay, invite friends from your social media network from here, invite from your email, or create your personal referral link. This is my referral link, and share with your friends and family and social media contact. Now, all of us have friends and family. How can we grow this number? How can we have hundreds or thousands of people as our friends in this community or this website? So let's say you have 100 friends and they are active in this website, participating surveys and making money. All you need to do is to make $20 from each of them, and you'll make $2,000 per day. If you have 200 active friends, then only making $5 per friend as a commission, because they are earning and you are earning referral commission, completely passive. They are doing, you're making money for free, still $1,000, still $1,000 a day. Now, if you have 1,000 active friends, then $10 each will make you $10,000 per day. Now, this is way overwhelming, but it is definitely possible. Now, how will you get so many friends? I will show you a quick example. Do you know a website called Quora? If you don't know, okay, you know it now. Quora.com, Quora.com. How Quora works is you can sign up for your free account and you can ask questions, and there are active communities on Quora, active people in Quora. They will come back and answer your question, or others will ask questions and you can answer. I'll give you a quick example. This person posted a question and a story. Should I invite a homeless person into my home? So this is a story, what happened when they invited a homeless person into their home. This is a really nice story. But interestingly, this story got 8 million views. Means 8 million people read this story. Now that's not the important part, because somebody can ask this question, they will get the views. What are you getting from that? Here is what you are getting. Somebody just answered on October 4, answered with something, whatever they think. And this answer got 649 upvote. It's like hitting the like button on YouTube or Facebook. So 649 people upvoted this answer. So minimum 649 people saw this answer. In fact, only 5 to 10% people actually click any button after reading. So a lot more people, let's say 20 times more people saw this answer. Another one 420, another one 130. Now Quora has millions of questions, and everybody can answer and get views from existing traffic. It's exactly same as Facebook or YouTube or Twitter, But Quora is easy because it's questions and answers. And once someone asks a question that Google can answer, all you have to do is to Google the answer, copy and paste. If you want to add your own twist, you can add it. Now, how can you get traffic to your links? Very simple. Number one, every single one should update their user profile. Now, this person doesn't have a link or a URL or a website in their user profile, but you should have one. And when people will visit your profile, they will see your website and they will visit your website. When they will see that they can make money from getviewpoint.com, they will come through your link and join as your friend. Okay, similarly, when you reply to any question, you can actually answer a bigger question in your blog or your own website in case you have one. Then you can answer a good amount of the text or the reply, and the rest you should say that the remaining of the story is in my blog. Visit here. And people will love to visit. When they visit, you get traffic. And then your links can be your referral links, and everybody will visit your link, join, and you make passive income. But Quora, Reddit, Pinterest, Facebook, YouTube, they all can be awesome source of traffic. All you need to do is to have a website, a decent looking website. In case you don't have a website, don't worry about it. Links in the description will give you auto blogging software that will generate blogs automatically for you, and a Pinterest and YouTube and other social media, automatic social media traffic softwares. Links in the description, go get them. So that is it from this video. You learned how to make passive income from paidviewpoint.com. They are a reliable company and they pay you to your PayPal. All you have to do is to click to make money. But in case you are motivated and you want to make $30,000 a month or even more, you should use this referral section and refer more and more people, inspire them to make money using this website. And once they make money, you get 20% commission of their earning. How can you get traffic? We have covered that. You can use Quora and get traffic easily by answering somebody's question using Google or any other website. You can get traffic from Quora to your links, or you can create your own website using my software, link in the description, auto blogging software. It will create your blog automatically. And also another software that will generate traffic from Quora and all other social media websites, and send all the traffic to your referral link through your website. Make passive $30,000 a month. Go ahead, grab all those free softwares and start using them right now. So, did you like our video? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. This way you inspire us to make more videos like this. We will use our time, our effort to make money making videos for you so you can make money. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts. This way you help them to learn how to make money online, and they will also get notified when we will upload our next video. And we will see you in the next video.